your girl Kumo, and I am back with another video. I'm just joking. I am Sihle's sister, and I wanna do a little vlog. Make sure you guys go and follow my YouTube channel. We are at Lodi. Look at this. We just finished cleaning. Look at the grass that we cleaned. Me and Sihle were cleaning. Look at this grass, guys. That grass is too much. Look at this grass. Look at this. Look at this grass, guys. It's too much. Like, guys, the grass is too much. And we have to clean. Yo, that thing was heavy. Yo. I don't know how being heavy. Usihlubiza le yakhe ngenenhleba. This is the house. We are going to fix the house, ne? Shop. So boring here. It's 15:46. So we've been here since the morning. Look, this camera is nice, Shem. We've been here since the morning. Oh, but we are almost going. Yes, guys, we're almost going home. But we still have to do all these things. Look, it's too much. We only did half and we have to do again. Like, look at him, guys. He's so tired. He's so sleepy, guys. And he must post this on YouTube channel. This is my dad. Can't charge. Don't charge the phone. So guys, now we are so duper tired. We just ate lunch. And when I get home, I wanna make noodles. I wanna make spicy noodles. Wait, guys. When I get home, I wanna make noodles. They're in curry, and there's nothing you guys can say. And like me, I'm craving noodles, Bella. And there's this spicy noodles that me and my mom tried, and and there's bugs here at Loli, guys. Like, your girl Kumo, and I am back with another video. I'm just joking. I am Sihle's sister, and I wanna do a little vlog. Make sure you guys go and follow my YouTube channel. Yes. Yeah. He'll tell you what's my YouTube channel. I don't wanna put it in here. So guys, make sure you go follow my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my TikTok. So guys, make sure you follow all those things. And if you're not subscribing to this channel, then what are you doing? Make sure you take your butt and go subscribe. You know what I'm saying? So guys, right now we are at Loli, and we're not just doing a lot of stuff, but we're just here to clean, for our upcoming house. We're obviously going to build a brick house, and we're gonna stay. I'm gonna have a room. My brother's gonna have a room. And I'm like bored. I did a lot of things. Look at me. I'm dirty. We even brought the snacks for in case we're hungry. We just ate lunch. Yo guys. And the guys, right now we are at Loli and there's nothing that we're doing right here. And yeah. So guys, I'll show you everything what my brother is doing right now. He's busy cleaning, and if you see him, he looks so exhausted. You guys in social media, you see him wearing Jewish clothes and stuff. And in real life, yeah, let's go, guys. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're not new, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys what we are doing. That's my brother right there, the owner of this channel. So guys, right now we are at Loli and there's nothing that we are doing here, like, and I wanna do some TikToks and stuff like that, but I can't do the TikToks because I'm gonna finish his data so bad, like really bad. Because I don't know if he has data. I wanna tell him to switch the data flipping off. I want him to switch the data off, guys. Hotspot. Okay. Oh yes, power boost, guys. He needs to switch off this power boost thingy because me, I wanna do TikTok dances. Guys, I don't know why I'm vlogging.